Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video and welcome to my savings, budgeting, and YouTube journey. Today I'm going to be going over the YouTube revenue that I got paid this month for the month of January. So this will be the first paycheck that I get from YouTube for this year, 2024. So I'm going to show you the breakdown of, the analytics, basically what determines how much I get paid. It is paid monthly as long as you reach a $100 minimum threshold for the month. They do give you a payment out. So my goal has been the past few months is just to make a little bit more than I made the month before. So let me show you what I got in each. I am keeping track of these sheets just so I can see, how I've progressed. All right, so for the month of January, for views, I got 60,044 views, which is up 33% from December. Yay. Okay, that's views. Watch time. I do not have neat handwriting, so welcome to the club. All right, and I'm looking at this as we speak. So watch time, we got 3,254.40 watch hours, which is 6% more than December. Still more, so good. Okay, subscribers in January. We got 461 subscribers in the month of January. That is up 30% from December. That's a lot. Those are the stats for the month of January. So the revenue for this month was to be exact, the revenue for this month was $226.30. All right, so I already did a breakdown of where I want it all to go. So I'll write it down here after, but I am going to just go ahead and show you guys the cash stuffing because I was able to run to the bank and get the money out. So let's do that cash stuffing. All right, so we got 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I quickly just looked at, what I budgeted for each item, and I don't even know if I had this right because I wanted to get to the bank before it closed. Let me see what my revenue for December was. I just want to check. I like to compare. So, let's see. January revenue was $226.30. December was $224.37. So it was more, not by much. Let's see exactly. $1.93. So we just cut it by the skin of the teeth. Teeth of the skin of the teeth. Is that right? I don't know. That's what I get for trying to use those. I don't even know what it's called. Let me just shut up. All right, so let me show you when I did my quarterly goal check-in. I showed you guys where I wanted everything to go, how I was gonna make up for the time that I lost. So in that video, I said that money needed to come from YouTube for vacation, for passports, for Christmas, and home goals. So those are priorities are gonna come out first. Let's do Christmas first. This is my savings challenge binder. So I wanna make sure this gets some money. This is fully funded. Actually, since it's fully funded, I'm gonna put that in our fully funded binder. This is our fully funded long-term binder. So we're gonna move this. This is it's probably gonna eventually go into vacation, but for now, succulent challenge, which was for vacation, is going into the long-term binder since it is done. That challenge is done and completely filled out. Let's do this in order. I said her clothes was gonna get $15 too. Yep, $15 for her clothes. So 10, 15 for my daughter's clothes. Let me get my markers. Okay, so she gets $15. That brings her to $160. marry these together. 50, 70, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 78, 9, 60. Yeah, 160. Probably not necessary for me to double check, but I like to. Vacation is gonna get $20. Come on, you can do it. So vacation now has $20, $40, $55 in here. Going to finish this $20 burger with a little bit of, with the $5 that's left, since there was 15 in there, and then we'll do half of a burger. There we go. That's $15. 10 here and 5 finishing that. All right, so $20, $40, $55. So, all right, $55 there. What's next? Passports is getting $50. Yep. I cannot wait to get this done so we can get those passports and actually do some productive stuff further away from here. 50, 70, 90, 100. So $50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's use a different color. Let's use this one. Okay. So that's now $100. Okay. Home goals is getting $15. Let's see. Now has 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 160. I must have put $20 on payday in here. So it had 145 and plus 15, 160. I don't know where I went wrong there, but this says 160 here too. So hopefully everything works out at the end. I don't know what I did wrong. Anyway, we're gonna move on from that. All right, what's next? Christmas is getting $40. Let's give two $20 bills. So Christmas now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Now has 150. All right, Christmas now has 150. Okay, let's see here. Oh, we were gonna give $3 to this challenge because that's what's gonna be left over. Again, we're not counting this $1 challenge and I'm not tracking it. We're just gonna check at the end of the year to see what's left. I think that's it for that. All right, that's it for that. We're going to put some money in our YouTube binder. And we're gonna put $68 for taxes. This little thing I made for myself, I used to work with epoxy. Is that what it's called? I can't even remember what it's called, but I don't think it's called epoxy. If I can remember it, I'll put it on the screen. But for a while, I was into that. So 30% of the 226 is 68, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 68. So that's what we're going to put in here for the month of January. And that's, again, in case I have to pay YouTube taxes. If we don't end up having to pay this year again, then we'll put it to the side like we were able to do last time. Let's see. Giveaway, we're gonna put $5 in here. It's not a lot, but it's something. $5 in here. And when we reach, maybe when we reach 4,000, I can do a giveaway. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. There's $33 in here now. Maybe, let's see. Or maybe 5,000. That way I have more money in there. Okay. And supplies, it gets the rest, gets the $10. So the bulk of this went to, I didn't get any money this time. That kind of sucks. So nothing went into my binders this time. I usually try to put some money into junior year, graduation, and my binder with the YouTube income tax. But there were so many savings challenges that were behind that's where it went to. So that's okay. That is okay, because we're going to put some money from our income taxes in there. So that's it. That is it. I don't know what I did with home goals, but I'll probably have to look back at that and, you know, fix something, because clearly I calculated wrong at some point. But that is it for me today. I want you to always remember it is about progression and not about perfection. Thanks for watching and happy saving, everybody. Bye.